over the years that I've trained, I've seen so many people who know English and they're really good at small talk. You can get them to talk about nonsense for hours on end. But when it comes to the real business stuff, they fumble and they falter and they wobble and they teeter and they totter. They are so staggered at the end of it that they fall back on their mother tongues, and even there they make a mess of that communication business. And this is a major problem. This is sad. Serious, actually. Not a laughing matter.
All right. So what can you do about that?
Okay, I'll tell you what we can do. See, we give you an environment, a conducive environment where you can learn the language, use the language in as many situations as you would normally face in the real world outside. And this increases your comfort level with the language, and you become more confident and therefore more assertive. See, studies have shown that the best way to learn a language is the way you learn your mother tongue. You listen to your mother and you repeat what she said, and over time, this listening repetition will lead you to communicate first in a very rough way, and you will become reasonably comprehensible over a period of maybe 3 to 5 years. What our methodology does is to shorten this time, reduce it 3 to 5 years to 3 to 5 months maybe.
So what do I gain from this? What's going to be my takeaway?